Hey guys, welcome back to Lisa's Food Addiction. I hope y'all are doing well out there. In today's video, you guys, we are trying another TikTok-y recipe. Y'all, these TikTok recipes got me in a chokehold, okay? We are trying these viral, honey, smash burger tacos. Y'all, when I tell you, baby, these was bussin', okay? We have a Big Mac style burger taco, a bacon cheeseburger burger taco, and a classic burger taco. Y'all, these are literally the bomb.com. They are seasoned to perfection. They are so juicy. That homemade Big Mac sauce, y'all, is sweet and tangy, and y'all, these wraps get extra crispy in the pan and comes out just like a crunchy taco. They are so good. I can't contain myself. I'm so ready to show y'all how to make these and for y'all to try them. But before we get started, of course, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Hit that subscribe button if you are new here. Welcome to all of my new subscribers, and let's get into the video. Alright, you guys, so the first thing we're going to do to get started on these viral smash burger tacos is season this meat, y'all. We have some ground beef, and of course all ingredients and measurements can be found in the description box below. To this ground beef, we are going to add some Lawry seasoning salt. Y'all know I love me some Lawry's, okay? And if you don't have Lawry's in your local grocery store, just use salt to your taste using regular salt. We're also going to go in with some black pepper. We have some onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika, all of your typical seasonings. And once we have that in there, we're going to give this a mix with your hands. You can definitely use gloves for this. I just did not have any. You want to make sure, you guys, that you are not over mixing this meat, because that will cause it to become dry, baby, and ain't nobody got time for that, okay? We want nice juicy ooey burgers, so just give them a quick mix like so, and boom, leave it alone, okay? The meat is all done, so we are going to set that off to the side, baby, and start working on our toppings. Yes, I have some lettuce here, iceberg, don't judge me, judge your mama, okay? I have some lettuce here that I'm going to quickly shred, and baby, if you're scared of vegetables, okay, you don't want to mess with them, you can use any toppings of your choice, honey. You can do different cheeses, you can make a quick barbecue sauce, whatever floats your boat, child. I also have some tomatoes. I'm going to dice some onions. That's for our Big Mac style taco. And I also made some bacon really quickly. That wasn't on camera. Once you have all of your toppings of choice done, we're going to move on to the star, honey, the Beyonce of the group, if you will, okay? This delicious, sweet, and tangy homemade Big Mac sauce. Let me tell you how to make this right here. So first, we're going to grab some mayo. Add that right in the bowl like that right there. Then we're going to take some of those bread and butter pickles, ooh wee, y'all, and dice them up to make like a relish type of situation, you feel me? And get that into the bowl. We also got some ketchup, add her in there along with some yellow mustard. And the secret, y'all, is to add a little bit of that pickle juice, baby, bussin', okay? Trust me. Next, we're going to season her up. So we have some sugar for a little extra sweetness. We're also going to go in with some onion and garlic powder. Yeah, baby. A little bit of salt. And of course, some paprika for color and some black pepper. Once you have all of that goodness in there, go ahead and mix this up, and boom, just like that, easy and quick, homemade Big Mac sauce. Won't he do it? We're going to set our sauce off to the side, and it's time, y'all, to start making these bomb-busting, delicious smash burger tacos. I'm getting hungry just thinking about it, y'all. So guys, this is so easy, no lie. All you're going to do is grab some tortilla wraps, boom, just like that. Okay, and once you have your tortilla wraps, you're going to grab a handful of your hamburger meat, not too much because this has to cook quickly. So this amount right here works perfectly, y'all. Roll that meat into a ball and smash it right on top of the tortilla wrap. Won't he do it? Look at how easy that was. So we're going to keep doing this until all of the hamburger is used, y'all. And this right here is a great way now to make time with your kids, okay? Get them in the kitchen cooking. They are tired of that spaghetti you cook every Wednesday. They tired of them nuggets from McDonald's. You don't take them to Chick-fil-A, okay? Go ahead and get active with your little babies and make this recipe. They will love it, as well as your family, okay? Alright, y'all, we have our burger tacos made, our smash burger tacos, okay? I gotta say the full name just like TikTok every time. We have those made, so now it's time to fry these babies up. Now, I saw on the Tik-Tok, a lot of y'all are using the little hibachi grills, but baby, she ain't got that. So what am I using? Boom, a cast iron skillet, period. And this should definitely work as well in a normal non-stick pan. You don't need anything too special for this. We're gonna go in with some vegetable oil in the pan as well as some coarse kosher salt, okay, to get a nice crust on these burgers, y'all. Once that oil in the pan starts to heat up, we're gonna add our smashed burger taco right into that hot pan. And the best part about these, y'all, is they don't take nothing to cook, okay? These are done in about 3 to 4 minutes. They cook super quick and they taste so good, y'all. Ooh, look at that right there, just looking amazing. Y'all see that crust on that burger? Okay, don't play with me. So after about 1.5 minutes or so, we flip the burger and now we're gonna add some cheese on top. I'm using American cheese and we're gonna let this cheese melt. But let me tell y'all now, watch the bottom of that pan, cause honey, if you don't, your little tortilla wrap is gonna be smoking, baby. Yup, burnt up, and ain't nobody got time for that, okay? So make sure you're turning her, you know, show a little TLC, a little love to the smash burger tacos. And after about 30 to 45 seconds, we're going to take her out of the pan and boom, that is it, y'all. Just keep cooking these babies just like that until all are done. So now you guys that our burgers are done, we're going to start topping these off. And of course, we are starting with these Big Mac style smash burger tacos. Y'all, we are adding that shredded lettuce, some of those bread and butter pickles, some diced white onion. Yep, y'all already know. And we're going to top this with that homemade Big Mac sauce. Ooh, Lord, y'all. Look at that sauce drip down over that juicy burger. That tortilla has gotten so crunchy, y'all. Praise God for the burger, okay? On the remainder of our smash burger tacos, over here I did like a bacon cheeseburger type of situation. So I added some bacon, some lettuce, a little bit of tomatoes, and you just fold it up like so. And feel free, guys, to freestyle with your toppings. This is just my preference, but if you try this, just please make sure to try the Big Mac style smash burger taco. It is so good, y'all. After you have all of your burgers topped, you can serve these with french fries, some onion rings, even some homemade wings, and trust me, your family will beg for you to make burgers just like this every time, y'all. If you enjoyed this video and you loved watching your girl make these viral smash burger tacos and you want to cook with us, it's easy. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button to join our growing foodie family. We can't wait to have you with us for every single video and every single recipe, y'all. If you don't do nothing else today, go out and get these ingredients in the description box and try these viral smash burger tacos. I ain't never lied to you and I ain't starting right now. These right here are certified bussin'. Don't forget to like this video to let me know that you are here and that you're watching. Again, welcome to all of my new subscribers. I appreciate all of you for hanging out with your girl. Leave me a comment down below and I will talk to you foodies later. Bye, y'all.